Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you how to download shaders for Minecraft 1.21.7. Let's get started. To get started, close Minecraft completely, open a web browser and search for Iris Shaders Minecraft. Then go to irisshaders.dev, then click download now and download the Universal Jar installer. Next is we need a shader pack. Iris doesn't include shaders by default. Go to the CourseForge.com and select Minecraft, then click Browse, and then choose Shaders. Find a shader pack you like, such as Complementary Shader. Open it, then go to Files and download the latest version. Now open File Explorer. Go to your downloads and run the Iris installer. If it doesn't open, install Java from java.com, then run the installer again. Select your Minecraft version and click install. Once that's done, open the Minecraft launcher and choose Iris and Sodium and click play. In game, press escape and go to options, then video settings and select shaders pack. Then open the shader pack folder and drag your shader file into it and select the shader and click apply. The game may freeze briefly while shaders load, and once it's done, you're ready to enjoy shaders in Minecraft. And that's it for today's video. If you found this helpful, please like and subscribe for more videos. See you in the next one.